To make a copy of a dashboard in Knowi, simply navigate to the dashboard that you want to make a copy of, and then go into Dashboard Settings and select Clone. This will automatically generate a copy of that original dashboard, and you'll see that the title now has copy of in the prefix. Note that only the dashboard was copied, so it has all of the same widgets as the original dashboard, and these are not clones of the widgets. So any changes that you make to these widgets will also update in the original dashboard. So for example, if we were to change this graph type, we've updated this widget, and now if we go back to the original dashboard that we had cloned, we see that the widget's been updated based on how we changed it in the cloned dashboard. So if you want to make a copy of this dashboard, but also clone your widgets and have them be completely independent of one another, you can do that as well. So go back into Settings, and this time click the up arrow next to Clone, and then select Clone Dashboard and Widgets. So now you can enter in a prefix and suffix for your widget names. And now when we've got that cloned dashboard, we see that the widgets are also cloned, and they've got the names that we've specified. So clone and v2 are in all of the titles of these widgets, and that's how we know that they're separate from the original widgets. And now we can edit these without updating the widgets connected to the original dashboard.